Hey kids, look at these chickens. And do you know what they eat? Come on little kids, I'm your teacher Miss Melon, and today we are going to learn about what these farm animals eat. Look here kids, we have a cow. That's a cow. Say it with me kids, cow. And you know what they eat? They love to eat green grass. Look at this one kids, isn't she cute? Now tell me, what do cows eat? They eat green grass. And now we have a chicken. Kids, I love chickens. And you know what they eat? Chickens love to eat seeds and corns. They peck on corns each day. Isn't the chicken cute? It looks so funny. Here's my friend. It's a horse. This is a horse. And you know, horses love to eat hay and green apples. Can you say it? Horses love to eat hay and green apples. Look at this one, kids. It's so funny. Now look at this goat. Kids, we have a goat here. He looks so cute. And you know, goats love to eat leaves and grass. Isn't it good? What do goats eat, kids? They love to eat leaves and grass. And now we have a sheep here. Kids, this is our friend sheep. And sheep love to eat grass and clover. Kids, this is a clover and sheep love to eat it. Can you tell me what sheep love to eat? They love to eat grass and clover. Look here, kids. We have another friend. Donkey. That's a donkey. And donkeys love to eat hay and carrots. Come on, kids. Tell me, what do donkeys eat? They eat hay and carrots. And now we have a cute little duck. That's a duck. And kids, ducks love to eat grains and little plants. Come on kids, tell me, what do ducks eat? They eat grains and little plants. And they swim in the pond all day. Great job, little kids! We learned so much about our farm animals today. See you next time! Hey kids! Do not forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to the channel so that you can learn with me every single day.